Hi Filmora creators, welcome to Tube Media Tutorials. In the Filmora Creator Hub, there is a new activity going on. Create a farewell summer trip video using the Filmora mobile app and share with the hashtag #TravelWithFilmora on social media. Then click the Share Now tab and submit the video link to participate in the campaign. Every participant will get 3 days Filmora cross-platform license, and the first 10 will earn an extra 50 AI credits. So let us create a video on summer trip in the Filmora app. First, add a new project, import the videos you shot in your summer trips. Resize the clips as needed. The first thing we need is music, and there are numerous genres to choose from, including travel-themed music. To find the most suitable summer-themed music, we can directly search using the keyword summer. Let us add this music, Summer Surfing Upbeat. In the Filmora app, you can even generate music using AI. Set the theme to travel and mood to exciting, select the duration, number of music, click Generate. There are several assets available in the Filmora editor. Like in the stickers menu, simply search for summer and you get access to beautiful stickers based on summer theme. Let me add this one at the beginning. Resize and move it. Next, in the filters menu, there is a separate category for summer-related filters. Click to see previews of these filters. Once you finalize, change the intensity and apply to all the clips. We also can add beautiful transitions, and in the Filmora app, there are transitions assets on travel theme available as well. So click and preview. Apply them to the transition places one by one. So, the farewell summer trip video is ready. Export it in up to 4K resolution at 60 FPS. Then, upload to social media with the hashtag #TravelWithFilmora. Then click the Share Now tab in the Creator Hub activity, and submit the video link to participate in the campaign. Thanks for watching Tube Media Tutorials. Download Filmora for iOS and Android. The link can be found in the video description. Happy creating!